Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. In today's video, I am going to discuss with you guys and share some tips on how to prepare for the move. The first thing I want to share with you guys is to make sure that you decide on what it is that you can afford for purchasing a home, an apartment, a townhome, whatever your budget is, whatever you're trying to do. Make sure that you decide what your budget is going to be and stick to that budget, and also include moving expenses. The next step is to find a property management company or a real estate agent that really sparks your interest. Do a lot of research, you guys, because there's a lot of scams out there. So just be mindful that whatever company you decide to talk about personal property from, that they are reputable. The next process is, once you find the place where you want to move, the home, the apartment, a townhouse, a condo, or whatever you choose, make sure you are ready to put in your offer. Make sure that you are ready to sit down and talk to them about pricing, and that it's a price that you truly can afford. If not, then go ahead and just keep looking. The next tip I want to share with you guys is creating a moving bucket list. This list is critically important because a lot of times when we move, we miss certain things that we thought, dang, I didn't budget for this, or I forgot to plan for. So it's very, very important that you have a very detailed moving bucket list. It'll help you a whole lot. It'll help you a whole lot when you're actually going through the actual moving process. The next tip I want to share with you guys is go ahead and start purchasing your moving supplies. Now, one way you can save money is picking up boxes from probably your local grocery store, if there's a warehouse, or even sometimes you can find them at different kind of department stores. So just make sure you go ahead and purchase your moving supplies as quickly as possible. Now the fun part begins, the actual packing. I have some great tips on packing. The first thing that I would suggest is to pack those items or areas or rooms where they are non-functional, meaning that you know you don't have to use these items by the time you move. As long as they're packed away, everything will be fine. So I suggest start with those items first, and you'll be sure to go as far as getting prepared for packing and staging. The next part of the process is to go ahead and get your utilities transferred, your mail forwarded, or whatever it is that you need to do in order to get everything up and going at your new location. We all know a lot of times that this takes a lengthy process, or sometimes there's a lot of technicalities involved. If you don't know how to do it, there are a lot of ways out here to show you how to transfer your utilities. And the final step is to definitely take some time off. Whether you have your own business or you're working for someone else, please take time off when you're actually getting ready to do a move. I didn't do that this time, and I wish I had, but I suggest definitely take some time off because you want to relax and really get prepared and then really just enjoy your home. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.